Hey there, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with mascaras that promise length but leave you clumping or flaking by midday, you're going to want to stick around. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a deep dive into beauty products that actually work. Today, we're looking at a L'Oreal Paris mascara duo, the Double Extend Beauty Tubes Lengthening Mascara in Blackest Black and the Telescopic Original Lengthening Mascara in Carbon Black. Both are designed to give your lashes a long, defined, and voluminous look, and they're suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers, so you know they've got gentle formulas. The Double Extend Beauty Tubes is a two-step mascara. The first step is a nourishing primer designed to coat each lash, creating a base for maximum length. The second step is a black tube mascara that literally encases your lashes in tiny tubes for extended length and smudge-proof wear. On the other hand, the Telescopic Original focuses on extreme lash-by-lash separation with a flexible brush, giving you defined, elongated lashes without any clumping. Both formulas are ophthalmologist tested, which adds an extra layer of reassurance if you have sensitive eyes. When I tested these mascaras in my daily routine, the Double Extend Beauty Tubes gave me lashes that truly felt lightweight but visually dramatic. The tubing effect meant that I could layer without worrying about smudging, and removal was surprisingly gentle with warm water. No harsh rubbing needed. The Telescopic Original offered precision like a dream. Its brush grabbed every lash individually, giving a sleek, fanned-out finish that held all day. I wore both during a long day of errands and meetings, and I noticed minimal flaking with either formula. Now, for the pros and cons. Starting with the Double Extend, I love the two-step system. It nourishes while lengthening, and the smudge-proof formula is a win. However, the extra step can feel time-consuming if you're in a rush. The Telescopic Original's precision and lash separation are unbeatable, but its smaller brush might be tricky if you're rushing or prefer a more volumized effect rather than pure length. Value-wise, both mascaras are solid. L'Oreal has priced these around the mid-tier drugstore range, and given the performance, particularly the tubing technology and lash separation, I'd say they deliver on their promises. For comparison, if you're used to other drugstore mascaras like Maybelline Lash Sensational or CoverGirl Lash Blast, the Double Extend feels more innovative with the tube effect, while Telescopic gives more defined length without compromising comfort. In terms of build and longevity, the packaging feels sturdy, and the brushes are designed for consistent application over time. The formulas maintain their performance even after a few months of use, which is always a plus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, you might explore Maybelline Great Lash or L'Oreal Voluminous Original, which offer length and volume at a slightly lower price point. But for the innovative tubing technology and precision brush, this duo stands out. Overall, both mascaras do exactly what they promise: enhanced length, defined lashes, and a formula that's gentle on sensitive eyes. The Double Extend is perfect if you want a dramatic smudge-proof look, while the Telescopic Original is ideal for sleek, separated lashes. Either way, these mascaras are great for everyday wear or special occasions, depending on your lash goals. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. Don't forget, the link to purchase is in the comments or description box. If you've tried these mascaras, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.